All right, so you know what? I have about $450 that I can put into here, so I might as well buy 13.7 million more Shiba Inu. Let's place the buy, and everything is filled. So perfect. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you guys for joining me on another video. I got cat hair all over me, everywhere. Make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu in this video, and I'm going to reiterate some points that we had in other videos. I have one video that's out there that is a burn video, and if you guys really want to burn Shiba Inu, that video is going to be the video to go to in order to consistently burn Shiba Inu every single month, and we will go through that. But we're going to go through the price, we're going to go through this dip that we did see, and how I'm obviously excited for it, and I'm a little upset that I actually missed the buy-in point because I was waiting for this video to make a move into it so I can record what I did. But again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. 64% of you guys are not subscribed. So hit the subscribe button if you're watching this and you realize that you're not. Feel free to do it. It is free. It's free to unsubscribe. It's free to subscribe. It's free to do basically everything there. So, yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this today. So, again, you're going to see my portfolio here. And how much SHIB I'm holding. I'm now holding $1,474 worth of SHIB, or 45.2 million. So I did increase the amount that I was holding, especially after seeing a decent sized dip today. It could have been a better investment if it would have been at the lowest point, but who knows? This can still go lower. I still have about 50 more million that I have to buy. But I did decide, since I had $450, that I could put it in there and make that move there. And bring that up to something that, once you get up to those, $1,000, $2,000 level, you're showing that you, for at least me, when I look at my portfolio, that I truly believe in where it's going to go. A lot of the ones that are up top are more short term than anything, but I know Shiba Inu is going to be a little bit more long term. So 45.2 million is what I'm holding right now. This is the video that you guys want to look out for. I will put the link up in the cards. I'll try to. A lot of times I don't remember, but I will try to put the link up in the cards. It's at 22,000 right now, 22.4 thousand. And I think we can get this a lot higher, right? If you want to burn SHIB, we can definitely do that. So go to this video right here. The only hashtag SHIB video you will ever need to watch, because obviously it's going to burn Shiba Inu, which will create an increased price as long as we burn enough. I'm hoping that we can burn 100 million every month. That would be phenomenal. If we could burn 1 billion every month, that would be amazing. Just from this one video, it would be just so amazing. So there it is. Make sure you guys check it out. But let's get into what SHIB actually did today. Over the past day, we saw it really hover around that 34 range, 3,400 range. But then, towards the end of the day, about towards now, right, 3 o'clock or so, you saw this start to fall, really fall, and right now it's 3:49. So within 49 minutes from 3 o'clock to 3:49, we saw this go all the way down to 3,200, and then increase to 32 or 33. Now basically it's at 32.5 or 32.6. But we're seeing it down 3.5%. Now, we saw it hover around these areas for quite some time. We did see it get down to 29 or 2,800, but we didn't really expect it to drop, any more than that, because it was looking like it was really flat, at that 3,000 level, 0.0000 level. And you could see here that the typical hold time is going up. People are holding it for longer and longer. The popularity is around 10th. You're seeing that 549 trillion supply. It's still the same. And also the market cap is around 17 or $18 billion market cap. Now, the buy activity is down slightly and the volume is actually up, but we're seeing a decrease in the price. So people are probably getting rid of some SHIB. That's what I'm getting from it. You see a lot of buy volume. And the percentage of volume that's coming in is buy volume. And it just doesn't really line up with me, especially seeing these negative moves there. So ultimately, looking into SHIB today, I'm excited to see a drop. That's why I decided to make a move today. I did have $450 available to buy for a couple of days now, but I decided that I would make that move today because we did see a decent sized pullback, not a crazy pullback, not in a level of 5 or 10%, but we did see a pullback. So I'm not going to be mad. I'm not going to be mad at all. Now, I am looking to buy 100 million SHIB and hold 100 million for a lengthy time, and I have my idea of when I'm going to sell, when I'm going to get out of the position. But right now, we're really worried about understanding where this can go from here, where Shiba can grow from here, how high can this actually get to? There's a lot of people that I got some comments recently saying I've done some research on the circulating supply, and there's no way that this can get to a penny or a dollar. And they're missing the point and understanding that it takes time, right? It's not going to be something that you can look at today and say, okay, it's going to get to a penny or a dollar. I would say that's ridiculous because it's not going to get to a penny or a dollar today, or even tomorrow. If they find a way to burn within the next week, you could see it happen in a week. If they find a way to burn within the next month, you could see it happen in a month. If they find a way to burn a ton out there in the next year or 2 years, it can definitely happen throughout time. So we have to make sure that we understand how cryptocurrencies work, right? And this is like the complete opposite of what you would normally expect through a cryptocurrency. Typically, you expect them to add on coins, and then the demand get higher. More FOMO buying going into it. But this is kind of the opposite, to where you have Shiba Inu that is burning off coins and actually creating an increased demand because the price can go up. Essentially, can have more potential by the amount of demand that's actually there, if not more demand. So for people saying that it cannot get to a dollar, it cannot get to a penny, I'm not saying that you're wrong, because there's always a possibility that you're right. But there's also always a possibility that we are right as well. Anybody could be right in the crypto space, because the unknown is what makes it interesting. At least to me, anything that's unknown is interesting, right? Dogecoin 2013 was nothing, all the way up until basically 2020, where you started seeing some actual movement. 2021, you're looking at it now, and it's up to what, 19 cents, 18, 19, 17 cents, which is still a crazy move from where it was in the beginning. So nobody expected that could make a move, and everybody said that Dogecoin would not be anything. And then all of a sudden it was something, right? It was everywhere. Bitcoin, saying Bitcoin is just like a scam. And there was a ton of people that, just was like, all right, well, I'm not going to be in this Bitcoin thing for long. I'm just going to gain some profit and get out of here. But if they would have been in there for that long, all the way until today, I mean, you're looking at what, $50,000 per Bitcoin versus, maybe $200 or $60 or $20 or whatever you actually saw it at. So for you to say that a cryptocurrency cannot get to an area just because you're looking at current market cap, that makes no sense to me. It really doesn't, especially when they have a burn that's supposed to be coming up, a system level burn. And then hopefully, the people can create larger burns that actually create FOMO buying. And I hope that this video that I have here generates a ton of money so that we can burn a lot throughout time, right? So that's what I have for you guys today. I really just wanted to go over what did happen today. Also reiterate the fact that I have a burn video out there, and that if you watch that video and watch the ads on that video, the money or the revenue that's generated from those ads will actually burn off Shiba Inu. I will have to go and burn it myself, but it will do it. And then also go through the fact that I'm buying this SHIB. I talked about buying 100 million SHIB, and I'm going to buy 100 million SHIB. So I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm very transparent. But anyways, hit that like button, guys. Hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. I think today was very interesting and was a great time for me to buy. Even if it does go lower, I still have more opportunities to buy. But again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Definitely check out all the links down below. If you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free to join the Patreon. If you want to check out some of my merch, the Profit Apparel merch, feel free to check it out. Profit Apparel Store, what is it? ProfitApparel.com. I don't know why I was saying ProfitApparelStore.com, but ProfitApparel.com. I don't know the own website. Anyways, I'm going to get out of here, guys, before I totally confuse myself, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.